Hi, I'm Tim Ard. Welcome to this edition of Along the Forest Apps Road. I've had some questions the past couple of weeks about the new STIHL HEXA chain and filing system. And how does the file do as the tooth wears? And is there going to be different sizes for smaller pitch chains? Right now, my understanding is they plan to market a full profile 3/8 063 gauge saw chain that will be HEXA ground. That's all I've seen or heard. As far as the HEXA files, they will work on other 3/8 saw chain. I have a video already published where I HEXA filed a round ground chain. It works great. The other question, what does it do as the tooth is filed back and the top plate gets lower? You can see the hexagonal shape on the file. There are 4 file surfaces and 2 smooth surfaces. The smooth surfaces, one stays on top as a reference to filing the top angle. The other is completely smooth and slides on the tooth's lower gullet area to maintain proper height in the cutter tooth's side and chisel angles. So as the tooth is sharpened back and the tooth point and sides decrease in height, the tooth angles simply follow the surfaces at a lower position on the file's cutting surfaces. One way to think of it is that the file stays the same height and the tooth moves down the file surface as the point and side plate gets lower. Because the gullet area is flat and not rounded, the file stays in one position and height in the tooth. A round file has to move down with the chisel and side to maintain their proper angles. The HEXA file doesn't have to go down in position to accomplish this. Also, if you look at a full chisel round ground or square ground tooth, it may be necessary to take out the gullet area with a round file as the tooth gets about a quarter back. This because of the sides of the tooth will extend out farther than the point and cause resistance in the kerf. Doesn't allow the point to make proper contact. This side of the tooth situation doesn't form with the HEXA grind or filing. I think the HEXA file may work on some full profile 325 pitch full chisel chain if it will go between the point and the depth gauge. I don't feel it will work very well on 3/8 semi-chisel saw chain, only on full chisel teeth. And I'm looking forward to seeing them at steel dealers after the first of the year. So we appreciate you dropping by. Hope you find this interesting, a little bit of clarity on some of the questions that I've heard, and hopefully we'll be seeing these files soon and you'll get a chance to try them yourself. So this is Tim Ard wishing you good sawing, and we hope to see you along the Forest Apps Road.